Let's also tell our viewers about how the US President Donald Trump has hit out at China. This for not helping it deal with North Korea. Trump has accused China of doing nothing on the North Korean front after it launched an intercontinental ballistic missile test. In his critique, Donald Trump tweeted that China is making hundreds of billions in trade due to the policies of America's past leaders. But in not helping America deal with North Korea, Trump has asserted that US will no longer allow this to continue. To remind you, soon after North Korea's missile test, US and South Korean militaries conducted similar exercise in response to North Korea's first intercontinental ballistic missile on July 4th. Gaurav, another interesting development in the Southeast Asia, and we know how North Korea has been consistently test firing these missiles, and this ICBM, this is the second time that we are seeing this, and this time Donald Trump is come out and hit out at China.
The US President Donald Trump is now extremely disappointed with China. Again, he started off on a very warm note initially, despite the poll rhetoric when he took over as president. Started on a very warm note, hoping that China and President Xi Jinping will weigh in on North Korea. But, his disappointment, he's tweeted about his disappointment, he's spoken about his disappointment, and he's hit out at past presidents saying that they were extremely foolish in engaging with China in the manner in which they did, where China made billions of dollars and has not helped US deal with North Korea. US sees North Korea as an immediate threat to it, and US realizes that China-North Korea trade and defense ties, they've grown. North Korea survives because of China, and yet China has done little to rein in North Korea. And the testing of an intercontinental ballistic missile, a missile that can reach the US shores, is something which is extremely significant. US is very worried. And that is why Donald Trump has the United States, along with South Korea, carried out an exercise. The United States and Japan, have been carrying out exercises. They've talked about how rules of sea need to be followed in the disputed South China Sea. So, when you look at President Xi Jinping's statement at the 90th anniversary of the PLA, it should be seen in this context, because China is pushing the envelope on virtually every border, whether it's with Vietnam, an issue with Philippines, an issue with South Korea, with Japan, with India. So that is where the situation is at this point of time.
All right. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for that update.